Hello, welcome to all of you on behalf of the Biomedglobal Institute. It's both an honor and a privilege for us that today we are initiating a lecture series on food is medicine. You are invited to embark on a journey that unravels the symbiotic relationship between what we consume and the resilience of our body. We will uncover the transformative potential of food not merely as sustenance but as a powerful tool in the maintenance of health, prevention of diseases, and even the treatment of various medical conditions. Particularly why in the USA the idea of prescribing food as medicine is getting more attention. We will be talking more about this one also. Now, if we talk about the idea of food is medicine, it's not a new one. In 400 BC, Hippocrates said, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." Throughout centuries, physicians have been advising their patients about healthy foods, and again the idea is getting its revival. So when we talk about food is medicine, it is just the revival of old-time Greek physician advice, who said, "Your health is in food and not in medicine." In recent time, the idea of food is medicine received $300 million allocation this year from three organizations, including the Rockefeller Foundation, Patient-Centered Outcome Research Institute, and National Institute of Health of USA. Now, let us briefly introduce you to these three organizations and why they are betting mainly on food is medicine. The first one is the Rockefeller Foundation, is an American philanthropic organization established by the Rockefeller family in 1913. The foundation mission is to promote the well-being of humanity around the world by supporting initiatives and projects in various fields. The website of this organization in the overview section states, "Integrating nutrition into our healthcare system would enable doctors to prescribe healthy foods, reducing the need for invasive health services and lowering healthcare costs." It sounds like these are great benefits that need to be explored further. The second organization is the Patient-Centered Outcome Research Institute. It's an independent non-profit organization in the United States, is also partnering with Rockefeller Foundation and the U.S. National Institute of Health. Now, talking about the National Institute of Health, they have floated a request for information inviting input on research opportunity and best practices for food is medicine in research programs. Let's see what type of information gathered over here and how this project move forward. Now, one thing is for sure, that all this is happening in the USA with a great support from the President's office. In a recent fundraising campaign at the White House, there was commitment for $8.5 billion to overcome diet-related diseases by 2030 through different initiatives. Furthermore, U.S. Department of Agriculture is supporting program on food and vegetable prescription. Besides this, Food is Medicine Research Initiative is worth mentioning here. The Rockefeller Foundation, the American Heart Association, and the Kroger will mobilize $250 million for the Food is Medicine project related to cardiovascular diseases. Other initiatives supporting Food is Medicine include Food is Medicine Massachusetts Coalition launches resource to expand access to nutritional services. The Massachusetts Food is Medicine State Plan supports this Food is Medicine. Insurance plans start offering fruits and vegetables in some states in the USA, and medically tailored meals are worth mentioning over here. Now, if we go into detail, it looks like there are several challenges associated with food is medicine program that is receiving much attention nowadays. Experts on the idea of conducting clinical trials related to food is medicine programs are also divided. However, worth talking about is a study conducted in 2018. This study was published in New England Journal of Medicine with the title Prescribing Food as a Specialty Drug under the Gassenger's program for providing free food as a treatment for diabetes manifested improved outcome for patient while reducing the cost. Results of this study are quite intriguing. A 40% decrease in risk of death or complication with 80% drop in cost was observed. This sounds quite encouraging and intriguing. However, what next need to be looked for? As far as the current situation is concerned, it is clearly obvious that food is medicine is a good idea. However, it has several obvious and unforeseen challenges. Now, you want to know more about food is medicine? Here are some recent and relevant references you can go through.